Alright, I'm back at it, day 2. Gonna head back to Bowman Bay and explore a little bit more on the other side of the bay. It's kind of warm today. It's not very hot, but it's like humid, so it's a little bit uncomfortable. But it's supposed to get windy later, like really windy, so I'm going to try to do some kayaking this morning before it gets windy. So let's go. Was pretty windy out there on the water, so I had to come in, but I still got the whole day to spend, so I think I'm going to drive down to Oak Harbor, get some lunch, maybe find some places to hang out, look at the water, that sort of thing, just enjoy the day. It would have been nice to go up further around the corner. I think there's a lot of cool things to see that direction, but I guess I'll just have to come back again another time, and that's okay with me. Alright, I found a nice spot to eat some lunch and take a little walk along the water, and now I think I'm just gonna kind of head back home. So thanks so much for joining me on this adventure. I hope you enjoyed it, and would love to have you subscribe. Click the like button below. We'll see you next time.